IBB.
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 IBB. IBB.
IBB.
Inspiring better business.
Inspiring better business.
I grew up without my parents. They were not dead, but they had just separated when I was just 2 years. And I had to serve. I moved naked up to 5 years before putting on anything. And I reached 9 years when I had not yet joined the NS school. Not until I was supported by a drunkard who came and said I had to go to school. And yet my stepmother was saying that girls are not supposed to be educated. This, I grew up with it and it hurt me. And this is what ignited me to start an orphanage home to support the children who are not able to support themselves, who are defenseless. That's why I started an organization called Favor International Christian Ministries. That is in 2014. In 2021, when I went to register with the government, I had to change the names in the names of Abundant Favor Christian Ministries. With the introduction of IBB, I believe that I will acquire the skills to implement, to put in place the systems that will help me develop the organization and expand and influence the world to support the children, to support the defenseless. That's why I came up with that organization, and I am expecting that with this training, I will benefit much. Even the team members, the board members will be able to acquire the skills that will move us ahead.
Because we are supposed to influence the world. If you have international...
When I met the IBB teachings, I felt blessed. For example, with the law of research and experiment, with the ministry I had to start researching on how to minister to people better, how to minister to the children better. And also I was blessed with the law of creating value in the ministry, creating value in what you do. I learned the importance of putting more value in the children that I'm ministering to, putting value in the families, putting value in our lives. The law of systems, it encouraged me and taught me how to the importance of systems in my organization. That if I don't put well-organized systems, well-planned systems in the organization, as soon as I die, the ministry will also die. But if I use it well, I plan well, the ministry will continue, because the ministry will not base on me, but it will base on the systems to go ahead.
Jesus Christ, the Son of God, how wonderful you are, 'cause your name is greater than all, and your glory is greater than all. Jesus Christ, the Son of God.
My heart for children is to see them learn the word of God and know God, that they grow up as servants of the Lord. I also want to see them educated. I want to see them getting a quality education. I want to see them in good health. That's why I do whatever I can to make them feel healthy and be well. I want to see them lively. I want to see them supporting the community as they grow up in the ministry work of serving God.
For IBB, Jesus, for IBB, better business. IBB.
I'm happy today that I'm graduating. I've learned a lot from IBB, and I've been blessed on the topic of creating value, that I'm now able to have used it to create value in my ministry. I've been able to empower the leadership, to teach them how to create value. I've also used it to teach the field officers who disciple children how to add value in the children. And really, I've been blessed with all the teachings, but the one of creating value has blessed me so much. I've used it and I've got some sponsors through that creating value, and then the record keeping part of it, that part where I did creating of the records, and then I sent to different people, and I've been able to get some sponsors. The law of systems has really helped me as we were doing it, our work, training the children, the Bible classes in the 5 different centers. we were sharing with our friends. So one of our friends got interested from the UK and came to visit us in April this year. So he was interested and he visited our orphanage. So he has mobilized the members to support us in building the home for the orphaned children. The home that we are constructing will be safe for the children. It will be the best place for them. I insist and planned it such that the children will have security. The children will be impacted in the word of God and will also learn well. We are targeting to minister to 122 children, orphaned children that we shall be keeping in the home. I think that will be great for them, and we shall raise up servants of the Lord. I appreciate God for IBB, and may God bless you.